There's nothing I won't do. Anything you want me to, I can't keep my hands off you. There's nothing I won't do, and so I don't know why. No matter how I try, I can't wave my dreams goodbye. There's nothing I won't do. There's nothing I won't do. Anything you want me to, I can't keep my hands off you. There's nothing I won't do, and so I don't know why. No matter how I try, I can't wave my dreams goodbye. There's nothing I won't do. Kick it. I wanna see you move your ass like it's on fire, y'all. I wanna feel the bass. Damn, it's getting hot. Woo! Here we go again. Come on. There's nothing I won't do. Anything you want me to, I can't keep my hands off you. There's nothing I won't do, and so I don't know why. No matter how I try, I can't wave my dreams goodbye. There's nothing I won't do. Let's make love. Yeah, yeah. Yo, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Welcome all you headbanging, booty shaking, rump bumping, beat bouncing music lovers out there. I wanna see you move your ass like it's on fire, y'all. No disrespect though. This song goes out to anybody who wants to listen to it. Nothing I won't do. Oh, nothing that I know. Nothing I won't do. Nothing I can't do. There's nothing I won't do. Anything you want me to, I can't keep my hands off you. There's nothing I won't do, and so I don't know why. No matter how I try, I can't. There's nothing I won't do. Anything you want me to, I can't keep my hands off you. There's nothing I won't do, and so I don't know why. And no matter how I try, I stop. Here we go. This song goes out to anybody who wants to listen to it. Get ready for the show. Woo! I wanna feel the bass. Here we go again. Come on. There's nothing I won't do. Anything you want me to, I can't keep my hands off you. There's nothing I won't do, and so I don't know why. No matter how I try, I can't wave my dreams goodbye. No disrespect though.
I've got another girl. Goodbye.
Because he was not the only one. Listening to good company. The sky is clearing up, he will be sorry. Sorry for it now. We got another girl, another girl. I saw the depth of his character. I spied out his mistake. Now we are square, now we are square. Hey, hey, what's the pitch? She got another bitch. Hey, hey, what's the pitch? She got another bitch. Hey, hey, what's the pitch? She got another bitch. Hey, hey, what's the pitch? She got another bitch. Hey, hey, what's the pitch? She got another bitch. Hey, hey, what's the pitch? She got another bitch. Hey, hey, what's the pitch? She got another
We're gonna make you dance. Bass lovers united.
I'm a sexy girl, I'm a little girl, walking in my club and listen to the dub. But boys, watch out, I'm slowly getting out. I'm more than
masters of the harder styles. It's gonna be a hell of a ride. Maximum force readiness. Def Con 1.
Freaks on E, that's what we fuck, man.
Damn, you got him all intoxicated. Oh, beats. Oh. Got you intoxicated.
Alright, yeah, 1 2 1 2. Yeah. This is what I love and can't stop loving. Get wasted at parties from 9 till 7 in the morning. I live for the music, rolling blunts, feeling high, getting loaded, or take some pills and go to La La Land. Spending all my money on dope and extreme high price tickets, but in the end it's all worth it. I like to live in my own world. Fuck regular life. Fuck a 9 to 5 job. I'm told to enjoy every moment, every hour, every minute. That's what I do on Fridays and Saturdays. Why should I take life so seriously? I just want to do what I like to do. Be far from reality, cause I can't stand society. It's my own world. I just want to hear the music. I think the whole system fucking sucks. Everybody's working their fucking ass off during the week, getting totally fucking stressed out. So what's wrong and what's right? I live for the weekend. I live for hard styles. I live for hard style, baby. Come on, let's go.
Dust to dust.
Martinez,
Whatever happens
Martinez.
in this music